How far? You see, today, we need to cash your Olivia. We need to clear like 4 customers. Understand? We need real money this time around. Okay? We need to pack real money. Understand? It's alright. Let me go and eat. Oh? Yeah? Alright. What is going on here? Anka.
Devil.
How? How?
So, it is true.
What is true?
I thought that this poor girl was trying to frame me up. I don't even know that you are worse than Isaac.
No, now. It's not like that. Eh? Okay, go talk to him now. It's not the way you think it.
You know what? I don't want to see in my office again. Just
no, now, no. Okay, go explain to him now. It's not the way you think it is.
Just out from my office, or I will call police now.
I'm sorry now. It's not like that. It's not. Get out! Is that why you're shouting? Eh? Is that why you are shouting like that? Get out! What is it really this your useless officer? Eh? You! I brought you into this shop and you think you can outsmart me. Don't worry. I will handle your matter later. I will handle 2 of you later. Rubbish. Nonsense.
Devil.
You will see me outside.
If you want to get the man, just target his head. I'm getting to the point. I'm almost there.